In Hollywood, everything is magic and make-believe.
Gloves with paper clips are dog paws.
Even what you hear.
We are storytellers with sound.
When you watch a film, much of what you're hearing was created. From footsteps on a snowy path to a vicious thunderstorm. Here at the Warner Brothers lot, Foley artists practice their craft, and if they do their jobs right, you won't even notice.
People take sound for granted, but you would miss it if it wasn't there. Foley is the art of sound. It's creating sounds in sync with what's happening on screen.
Jack Foley's legacy in sound began in the 1920s as talkies swept Hollywood. Ever since, the reproduction of sound effects added to film in post-production is called the art of Foley.
The Foley stage consists of different surfaces.
This is walking on leaves or in a forest. For snow, what we normally use is regular play sand. And then to add to that, sometimes you hear that familiar crunch, which we use cornstarch. Your ear hears snow, but in actuality, it's sand. You have the three people that are on the stage, the mixer and the two Foley artists, which it's important that you have a team that's cohesive.
We have a streamer that goes across the screen, and when the streamer gets to the end, that tells us when that sound should start. It's an interesting dance. There's really nothing that we can't do here imagination-wise.
Right now, we're in the control room, and it's where I mix. And I listen to them performing to the picture. I try not to look at them because I really don't want to see what they're using. I want to see how it sounds.
Okay, Mary Jo.
Here we go.
Wind is interesting because it's usually what the wind is blowing through.
Allison's going to use the Batman cape to create the sails, and I'm going to create the boat actually going through the water. Okay, let's go.
There's a great moment when you get the perfect sound, and they don't always know it, but I do.
How was that, Mary Jo?
Sounded great.
When there are multiple weather elements involved, we might do all the specific things first and then go back and do maybe a general sound. We have a shot here of a hiker coming down the waterfall, so I'm doing the sound of the carabiner and his rope and his equipment. How was that?
That was cool.
Great.
So I'm going to play it back all together and see what we've got.
We really layer everything so the mixers can mix how they want to hear it. And we do things also that are a little over the top because we have to fight with music, sometimes dialogue, but hopefully when you hear it at home, it'll sound just like it should be natural.